First, we solve this part of the expression. 3 and 3 cancels out each other, leaves us with 12 here, and we have 12 divided by 12, that gives us 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division operator present and we also have multiplication operator present. This line here is a fraction, it's not a division operator, so it should be considered as a fraction. So it's 12 divided by 12 over 3. It's not 12 divided by 12 divided by 3, it's 12 divided by 12 over 3. So multiplication and division, they both have same priority according to the rules, but we must work from left to right. So we have to solve this side first because it is on the left side. So 12 divided by 12 over 3. To make our lives easier, we can use KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 12 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip 12 over 3 to 3 over 12, and then we have times 3 from the original expression present. Now we can cancel out 12s with each other, and it leaves us with 3 times 3, and that gives us 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.